Peppa Pig Gardening. Peppa and George went to visit Grandpa Pig.
Hooray!
It was a warm day. Grandpa Pig was in his garden. Grandpa Pig liked to grow plants in his garden. "What did you bring to show me today?" said Grandpa Pig.
"I have got a small bag and George has got his dinosaur,"
said Peppa. "Those are good things to bring, but wait until I show you these," said Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig had some seeds to show George and Peppa.
Wow!
"They will grow from small seeds into big plants," he said.
"Can we try to plant a seed today?"
asked Peppa. "Yes, let me show you how," said Grandpa Pig. "First, you put a seed in the soil. Much later, the seed will grow into a plant. Then you can cut off the fruit and eat it," said Grandpa Pig.
"The seeds are very small,"
said Peppa. "Yes," said Grandpa Pig. "But the warm sun will help these small seeds grow. Then we can pick the fruit."
"I want to try,"
said Peppa. Grandpa Pig gave Peppa a small seed. "Bring it here, Peppa. Now try to plant it," said Grandpa Pig. Peppa made a small hole in the soil. She put the seed into the hole.
"The warm sun will help the seed to grow, George,"
she said. Peppa got a watering can and put some water on the soil.
"Will the seed grow into a strawberry plant, Grandpa?"
asked Peppa. "Yes, but it will not grow today. It needs the warm sun and lots of water to grow," said Grandpa Pig. Peppa and George have come back to visit Grandpa Pig.
Hooray!
"What did you bring to show me today?" asked Grandpa Pig.
"We want to see what you have to show us,"
said Peppa. "The seed has grown into a strawberry plant. You can cut off a strawberry and eat it," said Grandpa Pig.
"Pick one and try it,"
said Grandpa Pig. Peppa cut off a strawberry. George picked one too.
"Yum." "Can you grow other fruits from seeds?"
asked Peppa. "You can try to grow any sort of fruit plant. Then you can pick the fruit, cut it, and eat it," said Grandpa Pig. George had a plan. He wanted to try and grow a dinosaur plant today.
"No, George, you cannot grow a dinosaur plant,"
said Peppa. "He can try," laughed Grandpa Pig. "But I do not like to eat dinosaurs. I like fruit much better."
"Dinosaur,"
said George. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.